Transparent 3D visualization reveals the uterine lining, or endometrium, beginning to shed. This marks the start of the menstrual phase.
When the cervix is blocked, menstrual blood accumulates in the uterus. This causes the uterine walls to distend. The stretching of the uterine walls due to trapped blood often causes significant discomfort. This leads to the muscle contractions we know as cramping.
This illustration demonstrates cervical stenosis, a narrowing of the spinal canal. The constricted opening visibly blocks.
This visualization demonstrates retrograde menstruation, where menstrual blood flows backward into the fallopian tubes instead of exiting the body.
When this occurs, endometrial cells can implant themselves on the surfaces of the pelvic organs, forming the lesion.
This visualization highlights the localized inflammation and swelling around the uterus and ovaries caused by the accumulation of trapped blood. During severe cramping, these intense electrical signals fire rapidly from the uterus, traveling along the nerve path. Retained blood provides a breeding ground for pathogens. As the bacteria multiply, they form a biofilm.
As the endometrium thickens due to hormesis blockage at
Long-term complications, such as these developing fibroids and cysts, can significantly impact fertility.
The 3D visualization confirms healthy blood flow to the liver. Based on this, we don't see any areas of concern.
the nanoparticles work to repair and thicken the uterine lining, allowing for the healthy restoration of your natural cycle.
The uterus has successfully returned to a healthy, normal cycle. As the warning signs subside,
While the left demonstrates a healthy menstrual flow, the right side illustrates how a blockage can cause severe accumulation and pressure within the cervical canal.